sing, and fear is knocking at my door. The waves around me keep on crashing like I've never seen before. I try to stand, but I am trembling. I try to pray, but words won't come. The sky is dark above my journey, and I don't know what lies beyond. But through the thunder, through the shadows, a gentle voice begins to call, reminding me you're still beside me, even when I feel so small. Jesus, hold me through this storm, when my strength is almost gone, when the waves are high around me, and I don't know where I belong. Jesus, hold me through this storm. Keep my heart within your hands, for I know the wind may shake me, but it cannot change your plans. There are moments I feel forgotten, like heaven's silence fills the air. I search for signs that you are near me, wondering if you're really there. Yet every tear that falls unnoticed, every burden that I hide, you have carried long before me. You have never left my side. When my faith feels weak and fragile, and the road is hard to see, you remain my steady anchor. You remain my victory. Jesus, hold me through this storm, when the lightning fills the sky, when the questions overwhelm me, and I cannot understand why. Jesus, hold me through this storm. Be the peace I cannot find. Let your presence be the shelter for this weary heart of mine. Like Peter walking on the water, I can only trust your name. When I keep my eyes upon you, Even oceans lose their claim. Though the waves may still surround me, though the winds may still arise, there is power in your promise. There is comfort in your eyes. You are greater than my troubles. You are stronger than my fears. You have stood beside your children through the passing of the years. And I know this storm is fading, though I cannot see it yet. For the God who calms the waters has never failed me once before. So I'll worship in the darkness, and I'll praise you in the rain. For the storm may rage around me, but my Savior still remains. Jesus, hold me through this storm till the morning light appears, till the clouds have lost their power and the sky becomes clear.